Watch this video and then we'll talk about it.
In the dryer pile. No people doing my laundry right. No people doing my laundry right. Why is my shirt in the dryer pile? It's my favorite. Why is my good shirt?
Well, I only posted it to the internet because I thought it was going to be funny. It's not fucking funny. Y'all want men really bad. Don't y'all? Y'all really want to get married. Y'all really want these relationships. You really just want to say that you are someone's wife at these absolutely diabolical costs. That is embarrassing. You sleep next to that. You allow that to enter your body. He is embarrassing. And that is your man. Therefore, I'm going to say what nobody is saying. You're embarrassing. He's a loser. So are you. Birds of a feather flock together. I once heard someone say that when you see a loser man, his wife thinks the same as he does. She's just a little better at hiding it. So he acts like an immature jerk. She is also an immature jerk. Let's stop feeling sorry for these wives. They just want somebody to pat them on the back and momentarily be like, oh, or to laugh at the foolishness of their idiotic husbands, boyfriends, and fiancés. And we're not doing that because a lot of us have been there, done that. We've been hip to the game and ain't shit funny. Nothing is funny. These men are idiots. They don't love you. They don't care about you. They get with you because they know you're going to do everything for them like you're their mom. So they act as if these grown-ass men who are not babies, who are not children, who are not toddlers, these grown-ass men act like they are kids because you let them and you sit back and you think it's funny. And deep back inside of your brain, you know it's not funny. You know it's embarrassing. And then you post it, and the moment we tell you that that's crazy, you tell us that we're bitter, we're angry, we're jealous, we don't know you, we can't judge you off of a 5-second clip, but it'd be the worst 5-second clip that you could ever post to the internet. No self-respecting man, no man who respects you is going to act like that. Why can't he wash his own damn clothes? If I'm not doing it right, which shouldn't be doing it at all because he's grown, but then you do it. No self-respecting man is going to act in that way. They would be washing their own clothes. Shit, they would be washing your clothes. If you're not being treated like a queen in your relationship, you're in the wrong one. If you are being treated like his mom, or his dad or whoever does everything for him, you're in the wrong relationship. Men often complain that their wives don't want to be intimate with them. Yeah, because it's highly frowned upon to be intimate with your child. That's gross. That is disgusting. You're not turned on by your kid. And if you are, you're a fucking whack job. And then y'all have kids with these men. And then you complain about how they don't do anything for their kids. And then you complain when you can't run to the store without getting 27 phone calls about where's the diapers? When are you coming back? Because I can't handle the kids. They're kids! They say they're babysitting their kids. These are the men who you can't go out of town for 5 seconds to visit your best friend because you're going to come back and it's going to look like World War III took place. These men do not love you. They love the fact that you do their laundry. They love the fact that you cook dinner. They love the fact that they can pass down their useless legacies to their children that you will take care of. They love the fact that they can truly act fucking dumb and you will let them. They're comfortable with that. Ain't no way he should be comfortable acting like that. That is embarrassing. You are embarrassing. You're under spells. I get called bitter every damn day that I come on this app. You're just mad because you don't have a man. You're just mad because you're not married. You're just mad, bitch. Ain't nobody mad that they're missing out on that. You can have that shit. I will gladly fade off into the bushes so you can have whatever the fuck that shit is. Don't nobody want that except somebody who is delusional, except somebody with extremely low self-esteem. How do I know this? I've been there. I've done that. That's how I can talk to you like this, because I fucking know. Y'all need to get out of this mindset that you can't make it on your own. You need to get out of this mindset that if you're not somebody's wife, you're nothing. Or else you're going to continue embarrassing yourself on the internet by showing us what an idiot your partners are.